Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this official website, so you can download driver, and this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of graphic cards. AORUS Waterforce RTX 2080 Ti XTREME Waterforce WB11G. If it is not getting, so remove this TM and then hit enter. After that is search and then click on the product and then click on this model number or graphic card, then click on support and then select your operating system, Windows 8.1, 7, 11, 10, and all the operating system installations process same. So this is your driver and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading the download box. You can see it will complete 4 to 5 minutes, and after that click on three dot and click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.